Good morning. Just wanted to give a quick review on our new Pellet Pro stove. It's the PP70 model, and just had this installed yesterday. So it's had its first full night burn in our home, and I can just want to say I am very, very impressed with this stove. Um, it has maintained a temperature in my house of 73 degrees. I had it as high as 75 degrees, but had to turn it down because the temperature was increasing and it was just getting a little too hot. Anyway, just wanted to say how happy I am with this stove. Our house is never in the 70s with our forced air unit that we have run for the past 18 years, and this house has always been cold in the morning during this time of year. And so we wanted to get this installed before the winter hit. And boy, am I happy that we did. I can't wait for those energy bills, for that gas bill to decrease this year. Um, just bought our stock of pellets too that we're going to be using for the year. Um, and so, yeah, we ran this all night last night, and it maintained temperature around 73, 74 degrees. And the best thing about that is that I've got it on a pretty low setting. That's your temperature dial there. Very simple, no electronics, just a regular temperature dial, and it's set between 2 and 3 right now. That slow blinking light means that everything's working. Um, I think you can put about 60 pounds of pellets in that, and I just checked the hopper, um, which I don't want to reopen because if you leave the hopper door open too long, it well, here, let's just do that. Um, I'll press this. So we went, holds about 60 pounds of pellets, probably used about 20 pounds, maybe. I don't know. That's almost halfway filled, a little bit more than halfway. So we can reuse those pellets tonight. So getting ready to turn this unit off um, for the day, and we'll reuse it again tonight. So anyway, I'm very, very excited about this new stove that we just put in. Very happy with it. Very good product. Um, and we're just ecstatic to use it. All right. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Um, and if you guys are on the fence about a pellet stove, I would recommend anything from Pellet Pro. All right. Have a good day. Bye.